do today is we're going to tame a carno is what we're going to try and do today. So we tamed a T-Rex in our last video. I'm the only one playing, so we said we were going to tame a carno in the last couple of videos, but the T-Rex came and fell into our traps, so it just kind of worked out that way. Now this time I am going to go travel and catch us a carno. There's a couple new updates on other games that came out. Awesome's NBA video and my Madden 18 video. I like to stick with ARK. I like playing ARK, so this will probably be the main thing on the channel. Maybe Madden and NBA are going to be mainly some World War II here and there. But other than that, that'll be about it when it comes to streaming and publishing on YouTube. Now, finding the carno is probably going to be the hardest part. I thought I saw one over here. Is that a Spinosaurus? That's a Stegosaurus and maybe a Spinosaurus. Nope, two Stegosauruses. I could try and tame a Spinosaurus. It seems like a fun thing to do. Oh, before I forget, let's change these knockout arrows to my bow. Actually, alright, so now I'm thinking maybe tame a Spinosaurus. I'm not sure. It's gonna be rough by myself, so I don't know. Maybe it's just a carno. I don't know. Whatever comes across my path, really. Or there's a thing over here I saw the past couple of times I ran over here. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I'd like to tame it. So with the videos, we'll probably post a lot on the weekends. There'll be a lot of posts up on the weekends, and during the weekdays, probably not very many. Maybe 1 or 2 in the week, and then 2 or 3 on the weekend. Alpha 1. Definitely don't want to go against that. Let's see what else is around here. And I'm also going to try and get this relic in the swamp if I get over there and I can't find anything. We're also going to be killing some turtles. Let's test out this gun on this turtle here. Oh, you dumb thing. Didn't give me anything I wanted. Let's see if that's not Seth texting me. Nope. Alright. So. Let's see what I can do here. How many of those things do I have now? 9. I have 16. Oh, I have just enough to make leggings. Armor leggings, so. Wait, which was the swamp? Get out of the water, get out of the water. Is that a fire? Yep, that's a carno. Oh, that was easy. You have to use a trap. Alright, boys. Here we go. What is going on? Stupid raptor. Alright, that was easier than I thought, actually. You have to use the trap. Alright. Oh, snap. Except. Oh my god. There's just things everywhere. Every time I get in this thing. Don't get me wrong, I need the meat, but like. Alright. Where's stuff like? Let me pick up that bear trap. Wherever it's at, don't land in it. Where did I put that bear trap at? Oh, there it is. Things. Alright, so now use Snowflake to get all this. I can actually get a carno saddle. So it's the main reason I'm kind of putting a carno around. It'd be nice to have. Excuse me. Let's see what's in here. Access inventory. 45 of them. Alright, that's good. Quick is this thing getting tamed? That's alright. Oh man. Guess now I can cart size. Start mining. So what I found out throughout playing this, I know I can get that. What I found out throughout playing ARK is that to get metal, there is metal rocks, which I can never find metal rocks where I'm at. So the next best thing, or show you an example, either the little groups, like the little group of rocks, or those rocks over there. You see the, not the bigger ones, the smaller ones on the bay. They always give you at least one metal and then not as much stone. But if you want stone mining the bigger rocks, personally to me, I like mining those ones because it gives me an automatic metal mostly. It's like a 90% metal rate. And it takes way less time to break apart. And the same thing with the little clumps of rocks, if I can ever find them. they work about the same way. So that's what I found out about the metal. It's weird. They look like this, but not let me hit it. I'm thirsty. Yeah, so. Oh shoot, so I feel like now that I'm more powerful, I feel like I can take almost any dinosaur on. I honestly feel like I should try and tame a Spinosaurus next. When the guys get on, we'll go get. It shouldn't be too long. I'm gonna tell them let's go tame Spinosaurus. That'll be the next episode. Go tame Spinosauruses. Get a T-Rex, a Carnosaurus, and that's it's a pretty dangerous combo. Plus, with Reaper, he's a tank as well. Just take them down, them bosses. I've never played the bosses. I've never seen anybody play the bosses. I just know they're there in that tower, and we have to get stuff to get it. So that's all I know. I'm just trying to learn how to play this game and help you guys as well. I don't know, it's like shooting guns, so that's why I used it. A little waste of ammo, but you have that. This is taming quite quickly. Shoot, we could probably take over that, if we can get this and then tame a Spinosaurus, I think I'm gonna try and, after that, in the next video, try and take out that Alpha Carno over there. Take Tank, Reaper, whatever this Carno's name's gonna be, and Spinosaurus. That should be extremely easy to take over. Extremely. Should. I could be wrong. We take over raptors alpha raptors now pretty easy, so I think we'll be alright. How close I am to leveling up? Farther than I thought. I think that's going to be the next few episodes if that's what the guys want to do. Honestly, I have no idea if they want to do that, but we'll see. We'll see. How is he going on unconsciousness? He's doing alright. We'll let him go a little bit longer. Alright. I think this is where I'm going to end the video. You'll see if we tame him or not. It's pretty good unless something catastrophic happens. I don't want to keep you guys too long on these videos. Just little quick videos of stuff we do and updates. It's kind of boring without all the other guys here, so don't keep too long. So see you in the next one.